Okay guys, this day is being kind of bipolar. It was... Really? Look at these guys. Probably hiding from the rain. It just like started dumping like crazy, like just pouring rain, so... Why is this chicken white? What's going on with you? Jeez. Whoa. That was interesting. Anyways, we got a guy coming to pick up this Mazda that's been sitting here for like 3 or 4 days. I had to detail it, and yeah, he's finally coming to get it. But it's actually one of my dad's buddies, but otherwise he wouldn't get to leave it here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and I don't know what we're gonna be doing today. We're making a video on something. We'll figure it out, but you guys stay tuned. See ya. Okay guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're gonna be putting the electric scooter in the trunk of this thing and the crazy car. We're gonna see if they fit. I think it will. I just need to fold the rear seats down probably, but let's go ahead and get these bad boys in here. We're gonna run over to my buddy Addie's house. He's got a sick little plot of, they got like 20 some acres and some sweet asphalt, so we're gonna be shredding that stuff up today. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these things in here. Put the seats down. Yeah. Boom, look at all that space. Amazing. Okay, now we gotta figure out, 1 second, we're gonna have to go do a quick little search on this. Hey guys, you figured out how to fold this thing up thanks to some kid on YouTube. It's crazy the things you can learn on YouTube, am I right? But anyways, go ahead and release this bad boy. It's kind of hard. Also don't want to drop this thing into the BMW. There we go. And then this bad boy on in. Segue watching, figure out how to make this thing fold more. Here we go. I think I could have got this thing through the door faster. Jeez. Look how big this trunk is, you guys. Like, I have some room in here. It's kind of spacious. My iPhone decided to quit recording because it's so cool. You guys didn't get to see me go in and out of the trunk. I actually fit in the trunk with the scooter. Pretty cool. But we got the scooter in here, we got the crazy cart in here. I'm gonna have to climb in the back seat and probably pull the scooter a little farther up because this thing isn't quite fitting. It fits, but I don't want it to get messed up, so we're gonna move the scooter a little forward and then head out of here. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so there's nothing we can do about it touching each other, so we're just gonna throw a rag in there and call it a day. We'll see you guys cold start. cows. Okay guys, just made it to my buddy's house. Got the crazy cart out here. I did just flip it, so she got a nice little scratch on her now, but here's the Beamer. Got the Scoot. Got this man's over here. Repping the Vans and the Carhartts. Hell yeah, you already know. He's gonna ride this thing and he's probably gonna eat, but that's all right. That's what it's made for. So yeah, stay tuned. What you doing, Havoc? What you doing, bro? You guys are gonna be shredding the crazy cart. Got some sweet little angles here that we're gonna be absolutely blasted. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, you guys just made it to our local school. We got the crazy cart, primary school, or elementary, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna be shredding out here on this smooth concrete. You're gonna get some sick clips for you guys. Just stay tuned. Fine gun. We don't have the best lighting right now, but we're gonna go ahead and end the video off here. I think it was a decent video today. Sorry, there's people upstairs playing pool, but I got the little cow, and then off with the cow. He says he'll see you guys tomorrow, but yeah, that's gonna end it off for today. Had some sick drifts in the crazy car. Took it to a pretty cool school. We were messing around there for a while. I'm extremely bloated. I ate way too much pizza, so that's great. But also had some great brownies. My buddy's mom is the best. Shout out to you, Mariah. You're awesome if you're watching this. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. You guys are trying to get monetized. I want to be able to grow this channel, get it huge, so we can God dang, they are dropping some balls. But yeah, other than that, it's gonna be the end of this video. He says see you guys later. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace.